Good afternoon, students. This is Gangadhar, your mathematics teacher, and we are discussing trigonometry, and in particularly from the last two classes, we are at what? Compound angles. See, compound angles means the combination of angles. If you have angles like some A, B, C, then their combinations A plus B, A minus B, A plus B minus C, and all these are termed as compound angles. And see, trigonometric ratios for these compound angles we are discussing, like sine of A plus B, sine of A minus B. That's what we are discussing from these 2 days. Sine of A plus B as sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, sin of A minus B, sin A cos B minus cos A sin B, whereas cos of A plus B, cos A cos B minus sin A sin B, and cos of A minus B, which is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. See, with these formulas, by proper addition, subtraction and multiplication of these two as well as the first two, we generated few more formulas and we did some simple problems related to these things in these compound angles up to 6th point. Now I am going to start the 7th point, and there we are going to find the value for, see, the rule for the tan of A plus B. Look there, 7th one. We are going to find tan of A plus B. Okay, see, tan of A plus B, I am going to find the tan of A plus B in terms of tan A and tan B. So tan of A plus B is just nothing but what? Sin of A plus B divided by cos of A plus B. I think it is clear, right? See, tan of A plus B is sin of A plus B by cos of A plus B, and that is equals to, what is sin of A plus B? Sin of A plus B is sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Is it right? Right. And divided by cos of A plus B. Cos of A plus B can be written as cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Is it right? Already we have these two formulas with us, and using those, just by dividing sin of A plus B with cos of A plus B, we have the tan of A plus B like this. So now my intention is to convert this in terms of tan A and tan B. We need to divide both numerator and denominator with cos A cos B. What I am going to do? I am going to do division with cos A cos B, both numerator as well as denominator. So this is equals to, the numerator is what? Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B is the numerator, and I am going to divide this numerator again with cos A cos B, right? And to balance this, see, the denominator is what? Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B, and to balance this I need to divide the denominator also with cos A cos B. And now just look there. See what will happen in the numerator and what will the result of the denominator. See, if you look there now, this is equals to, see, you just split numerator as well as denominator. Sin A cos B divided by cos A cos B. See, this sin A cos B divided by cos A cos B and cos B get cancelled. You left with what? Sin A divided by cos A plus, here cos A sin B divided by cos A cos B. So again here the cos A get cancelled. Then you left with what? Sin B divided by cos B. And this is the numerator, right? And then coming to the denominator, 1 minus. See why I wrote 1 minus? Look there here. Cos A cos B divided by cos A cos B is directly 1 minus sin A sin B divided by cos A cos B. So 1 minus sin A sin B divided by cos A cos B. And now in the next step, this is equals to sin A by cos A is how much? Tan A plus sin B by cos B is how much? Tan B divided by 1 minus. See, sin A sin B by cos A cos B is what? Sin by cos is tan, and here it was tan. So this is tan A, tan B. And now at the end, if you look, this tan of A plus B is in terms of tan A and tan B, and that is tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. So you need to use this tan of A plus B as tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B to solve the problems and for the required purposes, right? And the way how we developed this tan of A plus B as this is like that. Just look there, have a screenshot. So at the end we have tan of A plus B as tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. So similarly we have a chance to develop this tan of A minus B also as tan A minus tan B divided by 1 plus tan A into tan B. Okay. So tan of A plus B is tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B, whereas here tan of A minus B is tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. You need to observe the format, right? If it is plus sign, plus, and the denominator is minus. If it is minus sign, minus in the numerator and plus in the denominator. So this is tan of A plus B. Okay, so tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B, tan of A minus B. Using this we can generate few more formulas and we have a chance to do some problems. Okay, now look there, I am erasing this. First you just concentrate on this tan of A plus B, which is tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. And now what I am going to do is, I will just take A is equals to 45 degrees and B is equals to some angle theta. Okay, what I am going to replace A with 45 degrees and B with theta. If I replace like that, then what will happen? Just have a look here. Then the left side is just tan of A is just 45 degrees plus B is what? Theta. So tan of A plus B is tan of 45 degrees plus theta is equals to, see what is the right hand side. See tan A plus tan B. I will write it like this, tan A is tan 45 degrees, tan B is tan theta divided by 1 minus again tan A is tan 45 degrees and tan B is tan theta. So tan of 45 plus theta is tan 45 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan 45 into tan theta. See, we know that tan 45 degrees is 1. You just replace this tan 45 degrees with 1 and you will get that this is 1 plus tan theta divided by 1 minus tan theta. Is it clear? Why this tan 45 is 1? 1 plus tan theta. Here if you replace tan 45 with 1, 1 minus this 1 into tan theta is 1 minus tan theta. So at the end, tan of 45 degrees plus theta is, tan theta is what? 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta. See, further there is a chance to simplify if you rewrite this tan theta as sin theta by cos theta. See, look there, how can I write? This is equals to 1 plus tan theta is sin theta by cos theta, and in the denominator 1 minus tan theta is sin theta by cos theta. You just rewrite that what? Tan theta as sin theta by cos theta, and then we need to simplify. Yeah, how can we simplify? And now if you look there, the numerator is 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. If you took LCM, it become like this, cos theta plus sin theta divided by cos theta. And look there in the denominator, 1 minus sin theta by cos theta. And if you took LCM, it becomes like cos theta minus sin theta divided by cos theta. And these two cos thetas will get cancelled and you left with what? You left with, now this is equals to cos theta plus sin theta divided by cos theta minus sin theta. Just have a look overall, okay? See, tan of 45 degrees plus theta is equals to, once you need to identify this tan of 45 plus theta as 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta, and on further simplification it leads to cos theta plus sin theta by cos theta minus sin theta. Just have a look. Similarly, we have a chance to establish a rule for tan of 45 minus theta. Just look there. I will use Yeah, this red color, right? Tan of 45 minus theta if I have. Okay. See, if I have tan of 45 minus theta, then here I will get tan of 45 minus tan theta, and the denominator 1 plus tan 45 into tan theta. And here 1 minus tan theta, and here plus tan theta. Here instead of plus I will get minus, here instead of minus I will get plus. And similarly on simplification, here I will get minus, here I will get plus. Here I will get minus, here I will get plus. See, look there. See, for tan 45 plus theta as well as for tan 45 minus theta, the simplification part is same. Just have a look, go with the screenshot, and I will write completely on there, completely on the board now about tan 45 plus or minus theta, and I will solve some simple problems related to this. Just have a look, go with the screenshot. Look there. See, tan of a plus b on tan of a minus b we learnt in 7th point, and now in 8th point, tan of 45 plus theta is 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta, cos theta plus sin theta by cos theta minus sin theta. And now here I have one more idea. See, to write these three are equal, right? And these three are equivalent with another thing. See, this is tan of 45 plus theta. This tan of 45 plus theta can be written as cot of 90 degrees minus of 45 plus theta. Just observe it. Is there anything wrong? See, actually nothing is wrong here. Cot of 90 degrees minus some angle is tan of that particular angle actually. Okay. See, if you treat this 45 plus theta is some other angle alpha, cot of 90 degrees minus alpha is just tan alpha. So this tan of 45 plus theta can be written as this cot of 90 minus of 45 plus theta. And this cot of 90 minus of 45 plus theta is nothing but this is equals to cot of, you just split it, 90 degrees minus 45 degrees minus theta. And this is equals to cot of 90 degrees minus 45 degrees is 45 degrees minus theta. So at the end you need to observe that this tan of 45 plus theta is equivalent with cot of 45 minus theta, and again it is equal to the 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta, and it is equals to the cos theta plus sin theta by cos theta minus sin theta. These four are equivalent, and that is 8th A actually, right? And similarly in 8th B we will discuss about tan of 45 minus theta again. And now this is all completely about tan of 45 plus theta. Because of the alignment, see, angles of this 90 minus format, tan of 45 plus theta is equals to the cot of 45 minus theta. Now look there, I will give you one simple problem related to this. See, B. For suppose if I have cos 9 degrees plus sin 9 degrees divided by cos 9 degrees minus sin 9 degrees. See, what is the simplified value for this? Cos 9 plus 9 divided by cos 9 minus sin 9. So if you observe, it is of the format this cos theta plus sin theta by cos theta minus sin theta. So we have a chance to replace theta with 9 degrees here. So if you have a chance to replace here, then here and also here. So this cos 9 plus sin 9 by cos 9 minus sin 9 can be simplified in two ways. In one way, I will write it like this, tan of 45 degrees plus 9. In the other way, I will write it like this, cot of 45 minus 9. Both are same actually. And this tan of 45 plus 9 is nothing but how much? Tan 45 plus 9, which is tan 54 degrees. And this is what? Cot 36 degrees. So this tan 54 and cot 36 is equals to the cos 9 plus sin 9 by cos 9 minus sin 9, and it all happens just because of this tan of 45 plus theta, which I derived from tan of A plus B. So this is just like a logical game which we play with the help of tan of A plus B as well as with the help of tan of A minus B also. You treat this as 7th point, and this is 8A, and this simple example 8B, and then 8C, 8D I will discuss here. Just now have a look. At the end, this is the final result related to the tan of 45 plus theta. Now, tan of 45 minus theta is equals to 1 minus tan theta divided by 1 plus tan theta. Okay? See, tan of 45 minus theta, use tan of a minus b formula and you reach this question. And again, tan theta is sin theta by cos theta. Then you will get that cos theta minus sin theta divided by cos theta plus sin theta. And since it is tan of 45 minus theta, see this angle is 45 minus theta, and identify another angle whose sum becomes 90. Then with that idea, this is again equals to cot of 45 plus theta. See, cot of 45 plus theta and tan of 45 minus theta both are equal, and equal to this 1 minus tan by 1 plus tan, and that is equals to cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta plus sin theta. So we have, see, for suppose if I give you one more thing, see, d is equals to some cos 20 degrees minus sin 20 degrees divided by cos 20 degrees plus sin 20 degrees is equals to cot of something. See, then what you say about that something? See, if you observe this second idea, 8c, this cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta plus sin theta can be written as tan of 45 minus theta as well as cot of 45 plus theta. So here this is, I need in terms of cot. So this question mark value is just nothing but what? 45 plus theta is 20. And 45 plus 20 is how much? 65 degrees. And your answer at the end is 65 degrees. And there ends 8D. Okay? Just have a look. And all these things are just related to the tan of 45 plus theta and tan of 45 minus theta. So using this, I can find tan 15 degrees as well as tan 75 degree value also. Okay? Already we found sin 15, sin 75, cos 15, cos 75 in the previous cases. Okay? Yeah. And now, ninth bit, there we can find tan 15 and tan 75. 9a, right? And I am going to find what? Tan 15 degrees. And you know that tan of 15 degrees can be written as 45 degrees minus 30 degrees. Yeah, just we discussed that. Tan of 45 minus theta is what? 1 minus tan theta. So 1 minus tan 30 degrees divided by 1 plus tan 30 degrees, right? Yeah. And what is the value of tan 30? See, tan 30 degrees is 1 by root 3. You just replace tan 30 with 1 by root 3. So this is equals to 1 minus 1 by root 3 divided by 1 plus 1 by root 3. Yeah. And now you just took LCM, okay? See, if you took LCM, root 3 minus 1 and this is root 3 plus 1, okay? And this is equals to root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3 plus 1. Just look there. Tan of 15 degrees is what? Root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. And further there is a chance to simplify. See, here in the denominator we have root 3 plus 1. So to eliminate that irrational part in the denominator, you just do like this. So this is equals to root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1 into root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3 minus 1. I just multiplied both numerator and denominator with what? Root 3 minus 1. And now look the numerator. This is what? Root 3 minus 1 whole square. And now in the denominator, root 3 plus 1 into root 3 minus 1. So a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. So root 3 square minus 1 square. And now what is root 3 square? Which is 3. 3 minus 1 is how much? 2. So this is equals to, numerator is what? Root 3 minus 1 whole square. See, try to write the square of that root 3 minus 1. If you write that root 3 square is 3 plus 1 square is 1 minus 2 root 3 and in the denominator it is 2. So 3 plus 1 minus 2 root 3 by 2. 4 minus 2 root 3 by 2. And on simplification you get that 2 minus root 3 as your answer. So at the end we need to memorize that tan 15 degrees value is what? 2 minus root 3. And similar to this, if you try to find tan 75 degrees, right? If you wish to find tan 75 degrees using the same logic, right? By writing 75 as 45 plus 30 degrees. Yeah. And now if you simplify, you will get this is equals to root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 minus 1. And on further simplification, you will get it as 2 plus root 3. At the end, what you say? Tan 14 degrees is what? 2 minus root 3. Tan 75 degrees is what? 2 plus root 3. Just have a look and you need to memorize these two values. Look at the board. We have tan 15 degrees as 2 minus root 3. Tan 75 degrees as 2 plus root 3. And cot 15 degrees, cot 75 degrees you wish to write. See what you say about cot 15 degrees. See, cot 15 degrees is directly equals to tan 75 degrees. Is it right? Yeah, we have a rule that if alpha plus beta is 90. See, this is alpha and this is beta. These sum of these two angles is 90 degrees, okay? And that's why tan of one angle is the cot of other angle. If alpha plus beta is 90 degrees, tan alpha is cot beta. Okay, with that logic, cot 15 will become tan 75 and cot 75 will become tan 50. And now if you memorize these angles, you can easily answer these two also. Right, leave these things. And now if you look about tan 165 degrees, what is the value of tan 165? See, already we have 15 degrees, 75 degrees. So you just write this as tan of 180 minus 15. Yeah, 165. I write it like 180 minus 15. And now tan of 180 minus 15. See, this is equals to 180 minus theta. See, 180 minus theta means second quadrant tan is what? Positive. In second quadrant tan is negative. That's why you just take minus 180 will just leave tan like tan only minus tan 15. And that is equals to minus of 2 minus root 3. So that is equals to root 3 minus 2 is the value of tan 165 degrees. Not only for 165, see, we have 15 degrees and 75 degrees now. So using those two we can find 90 plus 15, 90 minus 15. 180 plus 15, 180 minus 15. 270 plus 15, 270 minus 15. Like that, every multiple of 90 degrees plus or minus 15 degrees we can find using like these two values. Just have a look and I will give you one more problem now. Look there, alpha plus beta is pi by 2 and alpha minus beta is gamma. See, I have two angles alpha and beta whose summation is pi by 2 and two angles whose difference is gamma. From there we need to show that tan alpha minus tan beta is equals to 2 tan gamma. If you have these two results, from there we need to show this tan alpha minus tan beta is equals to 2 tan gamma. See, for that you just start with tan gamma, that's enough, right? Okay, now I will start my discussion with tan gamma. So tan gamma is equals to tan of alpha minus beta. Is it right? Because gamma is alpha minus beta. And tan of alpha minus beta is just nothing but tan alpha minus tan beta divided by 1 plus tan alpha into tan beta. Okay? See, just direct formula of tan of a minus b, tan alpha minus tan beta by 1 plus tan alpha tan beta. Now you need to think about this product, okay? Tan alpha into tan beta. See, there is a relation between alpha and beta such that alpha plus beta is 90 degrees. So since alpha plus beta is 90 degrees, say you just replace beta with 90 minus alpha, but only in the denominator, not in numerator. Because the numerator is what? Tan alpha minus tan beta. I need it actually in the proof. So leave the numerator same, but write beta as 90 minus alpha in the denominator. So this is equals to tan alpha minus tan beta divided by 1 plus tan alpha into what is beta actually here? 90 minus alpha, as I mentioned you. And now this tan of 90 minus alpha is nothing but what? Cot alpha. So this is equals to The numerator is what? Tan alpha minus tan beta divided by the denominator. 1 plus tan alpha into this tan of 90 minus alpha. See, basic thing, right? It is cot alpha. And now again, what you say about this product tan alpha into cot alpha? And that is clearly 2, right? So this is equals to tan alpha minus tan beta divided by 1 plus 1. And that 1 plus 1 is nothing but how much? 2. Send that to this side. So therefore, therefore there I have no space. I will write here. Therefore, if you send this to this side, you will get that 2 tan gamma is equals to tan alpha minus tan beta. A direct relation, okay? See, if alpha plus beta is pi by 2, alpha minus beta is gamma, then you have this particular statement that tan alpha minus tan beta is equals to 2 tan gamma. Just have a look at, okay? And then I will give you one simple result problem based on this again, okay? Yeah, tan 72 degrees is equals to tan 18 plus 2 tan 54 we need to show. To prove this, directly you may use tan of a minus b formula. For 72 minus 18 is equal to 54 degrees, okay? See, we have one chance is 72 minus 18 is equals to 54 is a known thing. Apply tan on both sides. Apply tan on both sides. Or otherwise, see, you just utilize the above formula, okay? From there, alpha is equals to 72 degrees. Take beta is equals to 18 degrees. See, if alpha is 72, beta is equals to 18, then what you say about gamma, which is equals to 54 degrees. And sum of this alpha and beta is directly 90 degrees only, right? So, if you replace alpha with 72, beta with 18, gamma with 54, there ends the b bit of 10, okay? And this is one important formula, one important identification observation, right? Usually, see, there are some questions related to this in previous years also, okay? Just have a look, and this is b bit using 10K, okay? Right. Have a screenshot.